With the 2CV, Citroen invented freedom. But it's time to reinvent it. Because I want to experience the city without its constraints. With Ami One concept, I can rent it for 5 minutes, 5 hours, 5 days, 5 months, 5 years. And my smartphone becomes my dashboard. Take me to Quai André Citroën. I make the most of the city once again. And while Ami One concept is recharging, so do I. I drive with no CO2 emissions and no noise. Well, almost. And when I don't need it, it's Max, 16, who gets to use it.